Oops. You gotta swallow, big boy. Okay. Woo! He's like, sometimes I get it wrong. I haven't quite figured out how to do it all. Yeah. Sebastian, you're so silly. You gotta swallow, buddy. Okay, let's keep the fingers out the way. I think he's gonna love trying to feed himself. Oh, you're so sweet. Are you ready for another bite? Oh, I know you like it so much. I swear he's saying Mom. I know, right? He's like, Mama, that tastes good. There we go. Oh, is that good? Yeah. Is that good stuff? You want some more? You want some more, Mommy? There you go.